Looping videos, we see them on social media platforms almost every day. These looping contents are usually quite fascinating and fun to watch and spread. A loop video can repeat itself as a sequence and is perfect for displaying photos or music videos. Welcome to HitPaw channel. In this video, we are going to discover how to loop a video on iPhone. Before we start, I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like, subscribe and share button. It is important for the channel. Now let's get started. Method 1. Convert live photos to a loop video. There are many ways to create a loop video. iPhone photos, social media apps and other third-party apps can all create loop videos. I will first use iPhone live photos to do that without downloading any other apps. Open the iPhone camera. Here we need to turn on live photos. This feature can record 1.5 second moving picture when we click on the shutter button. So we take a photo randomly. Then go to Photos. If you hold the photo, you can see a small video it captures. We can select different effects here. This loop option means keeping playing the video from the beginning. And the bounce option means keeps playing the video back and forth. Select the one you like. Afterward, you can tap the share button to share the loop video. Method 2. Repeat slideshow to create a loop video. iPhone has a feature of turning your photos and videos into slideshows. We can use that to make a loop video. Open Photos. Select one or more files. Add them to album. Next, go to the album and tap Slideshow. Now the files is playing. But it stops when finished. We can go to Options and turn on Repeat. Now it is playing from the beginning. Method 3. Loop YouTube videos on iPhone. If you are watching YouTube videos on iOS device and want to loop them, you can easily do this on YouTube itself. Let's say we are watching this video on YouTube. We need to add it to playlist first. After that, go back to the main menu and find the library. Select the playlist we add and play the video. Now tap this little loop icon. The videos in the playlist will keep playing. Method 4. Loop a video using video editor apps. The methods we covered just now have so many limitations. We can't actually edit and control the loop quite well. If we want to better control the loop ourselves, a video editor is needed. There are many editing apps in the App Store. And most of them are not free. Here I recommend you using CapCut to create a loop video as it is totally free and powerful on mobile devices. To make a loop video, we just need to import the video. Copy it, then reverse the second clip. Now we got one looping count. If we want the video to loop several times, just repeat the process more times. Then we are able to get a continuous looping effect. You can also add audio to the loop video using a video editor app. You can watch my CapCut tutorial video to learn more about the editor. Alright, this is how to loop a video on iPhone. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.